Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Moomoo, ensuring you can protect your investments effectively. A stop loss is a handy tool to help manage your risk by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a certain price. This can prevent significant losses if the market moves against your position. So, let's dive in and see how you can set this up on the Moomoo app. First things first, open the Moomoo app on your device and log in. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the stock you're interested in protecting with a stop loss. You can do this by searching for the stock in the search bar or browsing through your portfolio. Now that you've located the stock, tap on it to bring up the detailed information page. This is where you'll find all the relevant data about the stock's performance, which is essential for making informed decisions. Next, look for the trade button and tap on it. This will take you to the trading screen where you can execute buy or sell orders. Once you're on the trading screen, select the sell option. This step is crucial because setting a stop loss involves selling the stock automatically when it hits your specified price. After selecting sell, check for the option to choose a stop loss or stop order. Depending on the version of the app you're using, the terminology might slightly differ, but the functionality remains the same. Now, it's time to enter your stop price. This is the price at which you want the stop loss to trigger and sell your stock. Setting this price requires some thought, as it should be low enough to protect you from market downtrends, but not too close to the current market price to avoid premature selling. Take a moment to consider your risk tolerance and the stock's volatility before entering your stop price. With your stop price set, it's important to review your order details. Double-check everything to ensure that you've entered the correct stock, price, and order type. This review step is vital to avoid any mistakes that could lead to unintended consequences in your trading strategy. Finally, once you've confirmed that all the details are accurate, tap Submit or Sell to finalize your stop loss order. And there you have it. Your stop loss order is now set on Moomoo, giving you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected to the extent you desire. I hope this quick guide has been helpful in walking you through the process of setting a stop loss on Moomoo. As always, make sure to stay informed and keep an eye on your investments. Thanks for watching and happy trading.